Hey everyone! All right, so we're going to talk about something I noticed about Brave Bessie. So in this passage, there were some great examples of prepositions. So, prepositions are words that discuss or share or show the relationship between two ideas, two things. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. Let me give you an example. So, here are some sentences, and I've made the preposition bold so you can see. So there are two things in this sentence. There's John, he's a person, and there's a concert that he's going to, right? So it says John is at the concert. It's telling you that John and the concert relate to each other. John is there. Right? If I put a different preposition there, it was going to change it a lot. Here's another example. Jane, there's the one thing that's relating, is in the water. There's the other thing, Jane in the water. In this case, Jane is in the water. But I could have said Jane is at the water. And those two things mean different things. Jane is on the water. Jane is under the water. Jane is above the water, right? By changing the preposition, I would change how those things relate. Are they beside each other? Are they on top? Are they under? Are they next to? All of those words, next to, under, beside, above, are prepositions because they show how phrases are connected. And usually it's the nouns that are connecting. Joe is on the phone. If he was tiny, Joe could be under the phone. It's a funny idea, but prepositions can make funny things, right? Sure. The snake is on an island. Right? Yeah. So on, showing you that the snake is right there. If I said the snakes are under the island, don't go down into the caves. You know that's where you would find them. Now, where are the prepositions in this story, you might be asking yourself? Well, excellent question. Here's the very first paragraph. We're going to find some prepositions. They're all over the place. Most of them don't mean a lot, but we can still find them. Here we go. Bessie Coleman was born in Texas. I could have said she was born next to Texas. Or if it was really strange and she was born above Texas, right? In tells you that, no, she was just born regular in the state of Texas. She was of African American and Native American descent. She had 12 brothers and sisters. Her family worked together in the cotton fields. Her brother served in World War I and used to tell her exciting stories of women who bravely flew planes in the French army. Coleman was fascinated by these stories, and she decided that she wanted to grow up or be a pilot when she grew up. So for the most part, in was the only preposition I found in this biography. If the story was a little more exciting, like when we get to her stunt flying, you would imagine that the author is going to use some very different, much more fun prepositions. I have a couple things for you guys to do with prepositions, so let's take a peek. What I would like you to do is take a look at this page. A preposition is a word that shows a relationship between two things, two nouns. So we have a like a ball and like a square. And you have to tell me what the relationship in each one of these are. And I've included some prepositions down the side. Which one is showing you behind? Which picture is showing you inside? Which one might show you between or on, above, next to, under, beside, in front of? These prepositions match these pictures. You need to move them over so that you use them all up and describe all the pictures given. Okay? So practice some prepositions, and I can't wait to see your work. Thank you now.